Y'all gon' get me bowed up when that beat hit. It's like 3 kicks in your knees up to your nose, huh? You knows us, unashamed, uno face. Whoa, tatted on my skin, all up in your face. Whoa, if I ain't bout that life, then I ain't really living. But if you can't see my light, then maybe I ain't in it. Champagne, champagne, celebrating my campaign. I just dug a well in West Africa, but how many of my friends is African, huh? No habla español, just show me tu baño. Ain't tryna get to know you, I'm too busy reading Daniel. Most segregated time of day is Sunday service. Now what you think that say about the guys you worship? First of all, I know it ain't a song that's gonna change the world, there's no way. It's not a guilt trip, it's a field trip. It's gonna last more than one day. What you thought, huh? Faith ain't bad, no soft stuff. I heard you just went overseas. Now come back home and boss up. Buy a bottle for a fee, for dirty water. Bodies floating in the sea, dirty water. Blood flowing from the ground, dirty water. Dirty water. Buy a bottle for a fee, for dirty water. Bodies floating in the sea, dirty water. Blood flowing from the ground, dirty water. Ain't no filters in this town, dirty water. Worthless, worthless, 400 years we done heard that. My family came here on slave ships. Some herd cattle, some herd blacks. Know some of y'all done heard that. My kin was treated less than men. That's why we raised to hate each other, cause we hate our skin. Lies you told about yourself that you don't realize. Must be a thief, she locked the doors when I was walking by. They must be whores, cause the master rapes them and leaves